Question 6 on Unit 6 of the Pre-Calculus Onramps Unit 6 review. Let me see if I can get this whole question in the picture. And I want to get my right pen. So this computer game company needs a clock to be integrated into a game scene. You have been hired to create a working clock mathematically with the shown radius. The tip of the second hand's distance x and y from the left side of the shown box and the bottom of the box depend on the number of seconds t, since the second hand was pointing straight up. A lot of times when I've seen this question, it doesn't mention where the clock starts. So I'm starting straight up. So what is the x distance when I'm straight up? Well, it's going to be that 25. And what's the y distance when I'm starting straight up? It's going to be 26. So I'm starting as far as the period of this thing, or the amplitude, as far as this hand going around, I'm starting at the center for x. So I'm starting at the 0 position. So that's sine. And with y, I'm starting at the highest position it's going to be at for y. So that's cosine. Cosine starts at 1. So I've got that. What is the center position? I am 25 from the left, so that's 25 for this, and I'm 26 from the bottom, so that's 26 for that. All right, now I have to do, what is the amplitude? Well, the amplitude is 17, the length of the second hand. And then all I have to do is find this pi over h or pi over L. Well, remember, the b, that's this pi over h is the b part, inside parentheses before the x or before the t. b equals 2 pi over the period, equals 2 pi over the period is 60, equals pi over 30. So this is going to be sine pi over 30 t, and this is going to be cosine pi over 30 t. And so that's it. So I'll check it in a second just to make sure a couple values work. F is 25, G is 17, this trig is sine, this is 30 because it's only the bottom part, and this is 26, 17 cosine, and this is also L is 30. Let me just check a couple values. When 0 seconds have gone by, it's right here. It's at the 12th position. So I'm going to be 25 for the x. I'm going to be 26 plus 17, 43 for the y. So I'm going to be at 25 and 43. So let me check it out. When t is 0, sine of 0 is 0. 25 plus 17 times 0 is 25. Check, I'm at 25. Cosine, when t is 0, pi over 30 times 0 is 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. 26 plus 17 times 1 is 43. Check, I'm at 43 when t equals 0. What about when t equals 15 minutes? I should be 25 plus 17 away from the left side. 25 to get to the middle, and then 17 because of the length of the hand. So what is pi over 30 times 15 is pi over 2. What is the sign of pi over 2? 1. 25 plus 17 times 1 is 43, and that is 25 plus 17, 43. Check. This one, I want to be in the middle. What is the cosine of pi over 2? Pi over 30 times 15 is pi over 2. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0. 26 plus 17 times 0 is 26. So I'm 26 from the bottom for the y. So check. I just checked a couple of values just to make sure it worked, but there's the answer for that question. For the x, it's 25 plus 17 sine pi over 30t. And for y, it's 26 plus 17 cosine pi over 30 times t.